today we're going to be reviewing slime to get more views. Okay, we are going to start with the jelly slime. So you can see that it's jelly slime. These things have just been growing in there. I don't know what it is. And then you dig in there. It's hard to get out, but he's something that's blue. An alien. Came out in the 1990s. Yes, it's Stitch. And it's set on right here, and you can bathe in it. And then, let's do some satisfying videos. Some satisfying things. I think it's weird to take your slime out of the containers. It's just gonna be hard to put it back in. So maybe guys, I should take it out of the container and get it back in. Okay guys, I'm gonna do that. Guys, we're gonna take the slime out. I put it back in immediately. I don't like slime out of the container. Oh no, it's stuck to the napkin. I don't think the napkin goes because it won't stick to the table. Jelly slime's not stickable. It should not stick to you at all. Ew, I'm not even looking at the camera, guys. Can you see it? Oh my gosh, Jesus. Oh my gosh, how do I do this? It's my own iPod. Guys, I'll be right back. Guys, I found it out. Just play with the slime in your hands. I don't make my videos on YouTube no more because it gives me no sound. That's crazy. So I just use the camera on my iPod. Don't blame me, I'm not gliding. I am. Okay guys, we're gonna put... How do they explain like this? Oh my god. Oh my. Jesus. Oh my god. I'll be right back. Okay guys, we're gonna put it in front of you guys. I can't even do it because I don't know how to stand my iPad. Okay, he's washed off. You slimed it in there. Okay, slide it back in. Slide it back in. Okay, it's in perfectly. And we're gonna put the little stitchy in there. Sorry guys, it's broken. Yeah, for you guys, not for me. I'm looking at it upside down stitch. But it's cute. Okay, we're gonna move on to the next slime. I hate cloud slime. It's not satisfying like the others. You can't even get it out of its container. How can you try? You hold to put it back in, and cloud slime's stupid. I hate it. Look at it. Look. And your fingers get like fluffy stuff on it. And it's stupid. And all of these I made myself, not the slime, the slime kit. You put the beads in. Yes, this just came with nothing in it. This came with nothing in it except the bag. What are these? And so guys, just don't order cloud slime, order jelly slime. Just my opinion, like, I'm not forcing you. But after you watch this video and see how unsatisfying cloud slime is, I bought 2 mini packs. And like this was like $3.73, and this was like $3.99. So in my opinion. So I'll see you guys later. I'll see you guys later. I'm not gonna put the bloopers in. I worked super hard on this video. Maybe I should. No, I'm not gonna. It's too hard work. I should have kept those recordings to make bloopers. I can't. Stitch back in. What's the lid? I'll be right back. So thank you for CapCut. It's not sponsored. Not sponsored. Thank you for CapCut. I use CapCut all the time. I love you guys. And I will see you later. Super hard on this video.